Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm currently on a trail that I've never been on. Because see, there's definitely a way to get down there. I told my guides and myself, rounders, that I would go and try new things alone and go into nature more. Look at this. Just peace. I live in a housing development. There's a lot of people around me. Most of them not very good people. And I'm on a very busy road. And I was sitting outside eating. I was like, this isn't enough. I need to go find some peace among the trees. So I'm taking you with me. Probably not going to talk very much, except to show you guys a couple of trees here and there. Look, guys. Little fairy portal. So exciting. By the way, this is called the 100-Acre Trail, which I thought was super cute. I have no idea what kind of birds they are. I'm at the age where I'm trying to become interested. I'm starting to become interested in bird watching. And I'm learning about the upstate New York birds. Somehow got off the yellow one and merged onto the red one. It's a very simple loop, and I've already messed it up. It's because I get distracted by everything. But anyway, somehow we ended up on the easy. Well, I think they kind of merge. So, see, now we're closer to the road and not in the trees. But I think, yeah, look, it cuts right back in. There's only one other person here. He has a little dog. Cute little thing. Looks like it kind of actually, see, because it's in the middle of like a squirrel. I hope I'm catching that. I can't see. It's in the middle of like houses, you know, for those that are more well off than I. Financially, not spiritually, probably. I don't know. Maybe they are. I don't know why I'm judging that, but self-awareness there. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Look at more trees. See, we're on the red one now. I started on the yellow. I don't know what happened, but it's called a loop, so I'm sure it'll loop back to the car. Ooh, that tree's falling over. Okay. Am I the only one that like gets satisfied with the sound of crunching leaves and pine cones under my feet? I'm sure I'm not. See, it like dips into a very deep ravine, I think it's called. That's what they call it, right? So we're not really in the woods. You can still hear the cars, but it's much more peaceful. I just didn't have the time today to drive all the way up to the Adirondacks because I want to take you guys up, and I'm going to record it for you guys. There's this place called Shelving Falls. Oh my god, one of the coolest waterfalls ever. And I'll take you guys up to Thatcher Park too. And let's find a spot to sit and pull some tarot, shall we? Having trouble finding like a stump that I can sit on. I think I'm just gonna be sitting on the ground, and that's okay. That went right into the field of the back of the school. It definitely doesn't loop, guys. It does not loop. That's the back of a school. It said it was a loop. We'll just walk back. I remember seeing one stump and I was like, oh, that'd be a good spot to sit, but I just wanted to keep going because, you know, the adventurous little side of me. That's a big stick. So I guess we'll just walk back the way we came. Find that spot with that little sort of sittable stump. There are so many squirrels out. I love it. It's the smell of spring, the feel of spring. And pull a couple tarot cards. See what the trees have for us. And then we'll walk back the same way to the car. This is not where I said. I'm just making sure there's no spideys crawling up my butt. Ooh, it's not where I said I would, but there's two trees. So I can lean the phone because I forgot my little stand on one tree and sit against the other. So quiet. All right, 3 cards. Oh, the world. Knight of Wands. And Knight of Swords. Yeah, really. The world is the Knight of Swords, right? Fast. Logical. Direct. Not always direct. But Knight of Wands coming up with it. I think I just saw a chipmunk. Asking us to find the courage and the bravery to deal with the world, right? To deal with our existence, to deal with our authenticity too and our vulnerability, because I always say the world is the most authentic card in the tarot. And finding ourselves. So the trees are asking us today to remember who we are. And if we can't remember who we are, to remember to take the time to find ourselves. And to take time for peace and for rest, right? If you can't go out on a little nature walk like I just did, that's why I took you with me. Sometimes even just watching nature videos or listening to nature. There's a spider, I knew it. It's literally right next to the camera there. I mean, just take the time, right? Look, guys. Take the time. There's no need to rush. There's no need to speed through things. There's no need to worry, stress. Breathe. It's time to breathe. I think that's what the trees are asking us to do today. All right, let's walk back. Do you guys see? Can I zoom in? Nah, he can't see it on my crappy phone camera. There's birdies everywhere. This is kind of a cool shot. And we're off. Ready? We'll surely come back here when the trees have bloomed. Bloomed? Is that the right word? I don't think trees bloom. I mean, they grow their leaves back, let's say it that way. We're gonna have to, somebody look that up. Somebody look that up for us. What is the technical term for when trees have their leaves? English is not my first language, guys. Well, I just almost stuck in some dog poop. That would have been bad. This is where the dirt turns to gravel again, so we're close to the car. See, yellow is where we started. Here's the little map. And the car. Okay. Now it's time to go home. So, what did we learn today? What did we learn today, class? To take the time. Take the time to breathe, take the time to connect with nature. Just take the time to meditate. However way you meditate, don't rush. Don't rush, slow down. That's that Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, World card. We live such a fast-paced existence that we need to take the time to relax, to listen, to slow down, to breathe, to rest, to recover, right? Let me know what you thought about this format, because it was very creative for me. It was very enlightening for me. We're in that, season now where I can take myself out and enjoy it because it's not cold in winter. But let me know if this helps you. I love you. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.